We're in Manistee for a trail to table adventure, and that's where we pair a trail like this with a nearby place to eat. Right now, we're on the Beech-Hemlock Trail at Orchard Beach State Park, and we're gonna pair that with a burger from the Wander Inn. We're really taking the Wander Inn name of the restaurant and taking that to heart for the adventure today. So we're gonna go around on this trail here. We're wandering and then ending up at the Wander Inn. Hiking time, 30 minutes.
When should I start my watch? Now?
Right now.
Can we just stand in the sun for a second? Come back and get me in a minute. I like to see all this greenery popping up.
We made it to 2. 2 is right here. So now to 3. Do you ever think about that we just get to walk on the trails, but even though they're out here and they're rustic, they do take care to be in such good condition?
We're really spoiled just to come out and enjoy it as we find it, but somebody was probably ahead of us working hard. So thanks. Even if you've already been on a trail, it's really never truly the same trail twice. I like that.
Yeah, spring has sprung.
Oh yeah, look if you really look further in.
Are we stopping for sun again?
Yeah. There's not a cloud in the sky.
This is kind of funny because you started your watch, and this is one of the only trails where it says the amount of distance you're going to travel in minutes. So I'm kind of nervous to make sure that we're going to keep pace for what is considered the right amount of time. Do you want to hit the 30 minutes, or do you want to take your time and sit at this bench? I like when you have a bench like this that very clearly someone said, we're going to put it right here so that you can overlook the entire grassy area. There's just enough going on out there that keeps it visually interesting. They know that this is where you'd want to just relax for a minute. Manistee really feels like a hub and spoke for outdoor adventure, and just particularly in hiking. From here, we're just outside of Manistee right now. If we headed just a little bit north, we're going to be up in the Arcadia Dunes. More trails than I'm ever going to be able to tackle. South of here, that's where we're going to pick up into the Nordhaus Dunes. Some of the most beautiful untouched shoreline that we have in this area. And then through downtown, well, that's pretty awesome because it's got the Riverwalk, which is 3 miles of trails along all the businesses. So anybody that likes to meander and sample, well, that's perfect for that.
Well, we got 12 minutes.
We're kind of meandering today though, so.
We gotta go.
Yeah,
We just approaching the parking lot is 2 miles. So now we know if you do a 15-minute mile, that's where the half hour comes from. So I think if we weren't, stopping for photos and just the bench, we would have been right there.
For the second half of our trail to table pairing, this is the Wander Inn. And now that we're all settled, I think it's time for a proper burger unboxing. The Wander Inn is located on Manistee Lake. We are dining inside today, but just check out this lakeside seating. And I'm here for the burger, specifically unboxing the Mushroom Swiss Burger. Let's pop the hood. A burger made from ground chuck, brisket, and short ribs, topped with grilled onions, and of course, mushroom and Swiss. These mushrooms are amazing. The description doesn't actually describe it as a pretzel bun, but I would call it a pretzel bun. A delightful waterfront meal.
They're so good.